All right, hello everybody. Caroline is here. We're going to do a Facebook Live today. I am so excited to talk a little bit about BOGOs. And I love this because it's an opportunity to get some oils, number one, that maybe we use a lot of, and number two, maybe that you have not used a whole lot of, but you get them all for free. It's amazing. So I wanted to share with you a little bit about today's deals, how to use it, and tips on saving for shipping and earning rewards, and introducing what I'm going to give away for those that purchase today. There's a daily drawing that I do every day for BOGOs. So I'm going to go ahead and screen share. That way that you guys can refer back to any of the stuff that I talk about today. If you want any of the recipes or the usage tips, you'll be able to do so there. So if you're viewing, say hello, let me know that you're watching this. But I'm really excited to go into detail a little bit about the Bogo Box and why that's such a great deal, as well as a little bit more of the adaptive and the Ylang Ylang, and why you want to make sure that you get it today. So these are limited time only. They will sell out at some point, and it's only for November 16th. All right, let's talk a little bit. Okay, so Bogo Box, they started this about a year ago, where you can actually save a buttload on your shipping by buying all of the BOGOs. So there's some of us that are really extreme BOGO oilers. We use a lot of the oils like On Guard and Adaptive and Peppermint, Copaiba. Those are all ones that I use on almost a daily basis. And so I might as well get it and get some free product along with it. So for those that want to buy every single BOGO and save about $15 in their shipping, the Bogo Box is the best way to do it. And it is only available for today. Last time they had it available until it sold out. This time it is only available for today. So you get all of the oils. So all the ones you see on the screen are ones that we know of right now. And then every single day we will reveal what the free oil is. So if you get your Bogo Box in a hurry and you get it before we're done, then you'll know all of the oils. But we don't know until that day what the freebie is going to be. So definitely, if you are one of those people that are wanting to save on shipping, that you think that you already use a lot of these oils, and you want to get all the BOGOs, this is by far, it's going to save you $120 off on the oils, and then $15 in addition for shipping savings. So it is a great deal. There's two exclusive oils. One's Northern Escape, meaning they're blends that they have made that they're not going to sell ever again. But if you want to get it, you get the Bogo Box, and you can get up to 2 Bogo Box per account. So that is that. Let's talk a little bit about today's deal, the individual one. And this is the adaptive, and our family loves the adaptive. Adaptive is amazing in decreasing daily stress, helping us stay calm. And I wanted to show you what is in the adaptive blend so that you can get a better idea really of the benefits of this amazing blend. So we've got lavender, which we know is super calming and helps with relaxation. We've got magnolia in this one, and this one is very, very soothing. Oh, I don't know if you've gotten the roller, but it's an amazing one. And then you've got neroli, which is very uplifting. I love it as a perfume. Makes me really feel like a woman, very gentle and not fragile, but just delicate, I guess. More feminine, I guess is what it reminds me of. Wild orange is very positive and of course very uplifting. We've got spearmint in this one that's going to promote focus. So we want to be calm and be focused, right? And then we have rosemary. Okay, we know rosemary is so great for memory. So in addition to this one, it's going to be great in the blend. It just really evens out that scent. And then copaiba, of course, is known and well documented for easing anxious feelings. So this blend is designed for 2020. So if you have not yet tried to use this blend, this is one you need to put in your diffuser this year. In fact, I put it in this morning. I love this one. I added Lucia, which is the product of the month, which is kind of like On Guard. And so I added that one with the adaptive. So super love it. So here is 10 ways that you can use adaptive. So that you, once you get it ordered, you can use it in multiple different ways. So if you have used adaptive before, in the comment section, let me know. Let me know if you've used adaptive and how you have or what you thought about it. Let everybody know who's joining in with us about that as well. So if you purchase adaptive, you're going to earn Ylang Ylang or Ylang Ylang. The Y is kind of a weird sounding thing, but this is what you're going to get, the Ylang Ylang right here. And this is really a flower. If you want to hear a little bit more about the co-impact sourcing of Ylang Ylang and how they pick it, it's an amazing story. You can go and just Google the Ylang Ylang co-impact sourcing and you'll be able to find it. But it's very, very calming. Like just smelling it, it just reminds me of almost like baby powder. You know, you smell baby powder and it just calms you down. I don't know, maybe it's just me. But it's very, very calming. I actually like to put Ylang Ylang and frankincense with unscented lotion to help with my skin. So I have chocked full 10 ways to use Ylang Ylang on the left-hand side. So for your skin, you can diffuse it. You can help with hair. If you're needing hair growth, put that with your conditioner to help with that. You can take baths in it. Did you know that it helps with stomach discomfort? Huh. So, and then I put some diffuser recipes on the right. If you've used Ylang Ylang, give me a shout out. Let me know that you have. And if you haven't, then maybe let me know what recipe you want to put in your diffuser now that you'll have it from this, this Bogo. All right, my ordering tips for Bogo today. It's really, really simple. If you have a loyalty rewards program, just edit it. Put this item in or create a separate LRP, you know, for the Bogo item, hit the process now button, and then you can always add those things to your cart. So if you have a wellness program in there, it's not going to forget which one you're on. You can remove it, place your Bogo order, then put that back in, and it will remember what kit you were on. If you were on kit number 2, or if you were on kit number 3, it's gonna automatically remember that as well. So if you have any trouble with your ordering, let me know, but this is the way that you're gonna earn points with your purchase. You're gonna earn your shipping back, and depending on how much you buy on your thing, you can earn free oils and really make a big impact with your life, with your health. All right. For those of you that buy either the Bogo Box or the daily deal, we are going to give away the Desert Bloom diffuser. Okay, this is just one where you actually put it on top of the little flower, and you can put it on your desk. You can put it by your bed or in the office. And just put a couple of drops of oil on the beautiful flower, and then it will sit there and it will diffuse naturally. So this was in the holiday guide. It is sold out, so you cannot get any more of these, and that's one reason why I want to give it away. I want to make sure that somebody else has a chance to get it. It is a really pretty, and that's what we're going to give away. So the only way I'm going to know that you purchased your product is you've got to tell me. So in this video, give me a shout out, say, hey, I bought a Bogo Box or I bought the daily deal. Let me know and we'll put you in the raffle and we'll kind of go over. So we have prizes for every single day, you guys. I'm really excited. It's stuff that as an oiler, you're going to want. You're going to really want. So I really encourage you to take a look at the daily deal, see if it's something that your family needs, and learn how to use that product so it doesn't just sit on your shelf after you order it. So with that, I just want to say thank you guys. Reach out to me if you have any trouble with ordering, but today it's there until it sells out. So have a good day and we'll talk to you later. Happy Bogoing.